for this, you know, come I leave the island, you know.
Yeah, what you say? You leave the island?
Yeah.
Cut out. Yeah, how are this now?
You need him.
We do what with it?
Just in case you need it.
Just in case. Just in case, me. What to them there, man? I got to take man. Oh, just in case, me. Boy, come, boy, I can take man for you to come call man, boy, yo, Joe, come here, Joe. What on, man?
You know, say, Mr. Roach, have a link to your work.
Which work?
You work with them and give them to man.
Man, yo, me tell you some more. Me tell you some more right now, brother. Me tell you some more right, brother. Tell you some more right, come back and tell me about
Boy, idiot.
Oh, boy, idiot. Yo, but, hold on. You know, say, if me get you right there doing all this Christmas, I could have buy all one slippers, you know. I buy all one slippers because Johnny and Joe no got nothing, you know. Yo, think up, yeah. Mr. Roach! Oh, wait, young man. You keep bailing up my name like that. Draw the line, young man. Draw the line. Mr. Roach!
But wait, you need a man to come join the line.
Oh, but then I said that thing. Alright, man. Next person. Yes, man. What is your name?
Pumpkin Head.
Yo, you must relate. This is for all this Christmas, yeah. Oh, for all this Christmas, yeah. Next.
Yeah, my food.
Christmas, man. You must can't buy one Friday happening, you know. What is your name, sir?
Sir, my name is Nanny, sir.
Nanny? Alright, sir. If you can't buy one Friday, please. Next. Christmas, you know, man. I mean, never eat the Friday plate, you know, man. What is your name, sir?
Candy.
Candy? Candy what, sir?
Candy man.
Alright, sir. Never ever eat the Friday plate, you know, man. Next. Yes, man. Yes, man. What is your name, sir? Name, boss. I mean, name, boss. You know, so if you tell you the truth, boss, I not tell no lie. You know, say me leave me name up a yard on the bed. How you mean? Say you left your name? How you mean? Left it on the bed, man. Left on the bed, boss. No, man. I don't understand this. How can you left your name when you're born? You never show your birth paper. Yeah, man, the bird paper, and they hit me attack, man, the bird paper with him, man, the panny bed up there, man. The young man, the bird paper with me near panny bed up there, bossy. Alright, if you leave it at home, go on and come back. Yes, man, I beg you to give me a little chance, make you run, go feet and come back, boss. Go on and come back. Yeah, man, okay, boss. Thank you, man. Thank you, boss. Stupid. Would you go here with him or something, though, man? Yo. I wonder what caused all these things to going on in the place. You leave your name at home. Right, that's what. How are you there? So wait. I'm left me name right, that's what. Right, that's what. Left me name right, that's what. Left. Go on, man. What are you? Oh wait. I'm waiting on this here, man. I'm going to put it on this here, man. Right, that's what I left. Right, that's what I left me. Jesus. I'm going to go to now, man. Give me the right now, man. Give me the right now, man. Yo. John, I want the Benz in my fly out it, man. What if you play, guys? You know, see me, I go check Benz, man, and I make him give back me. You see me catch him here before I'm going on. I'll catch him, make him give back me, man.